fear कि ये हम पे हमला ना कर दे. But some they do that for fun. कईयों को उनको छेड़ना होता है किसी भी तरह के एनिमल को. अब आगे लेयर की लेयर खोलो ना.
If you hit the animal and throw the stone on the animals attack always you.
They get aggressive.
And
they attack back.
Why you?
Why some people, आप you नहीं कह सकते ना. Why some people disturb them.
Why some people
disturb them when, जब वो disturb नहीं करते हैं.
When animals not disturb.
Don't disturb
people.
To people. हाँ. आप सब्जेक्ट एचवी वर्ब ऑब्जेक्ट सबको बोलने की धीरे धीरे कोशिश करो. आप फिर सब्जेक्ट और ऑब्जेक्ट को लेके भाग लेते हो. टू कंप्लीट दिस सेंटेंस. आपको होता है कि रफली बोल दे जल्दी जल्दी. कहाँ जाना है? ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. अर्लियर पीपल यूज्ड एनिमल फॉर देयर वर्क. वही क्वेश्चन आ गया. पहले ज़माने के जो लोग होते थे वो एनिमल्स को घर में रखते थे ताकि उनसे काम चलता था उनका. कोई दूध का काम, खेती का काम, whatever. What do people now work with? Earlier people used animal for their work. What do people now work with? अब लोग किस चीज़ से काम करते हैं? When they are not applying or using animal. Instead of animal, what else are they using?
Use animal.
Earlier people, not elder.
Earlier people use animal for give milk.
For carrying or taking milk. Carrying the load. उनके ऊपर भार उठा के लेके जाना.
Carry load, taking milk.
Eggs, meat. Transportation system. For transportation way.
System and many ways people used many ways.
But now what they are doing?
But
machines have arrived. मशीनें आ गई हैं. So now machines have come, like a tractor, trolley, machines, agriculture related. New tools they have come. So now they don't require animals.
Now the whole technology comes. Machine
comes नहीं आएगा. Have invented machines.
Machine, truck, bus, car, many
transportation related vehicles, electronic vehicles.
The used people
are used for agriculture and another task.
As they use for agriculture
and another task. That's why, इसी कारण अब जानवरों का इस्तेमाल नहीं किया जाता है खेती बाड़ी में. अब इंग्लिश में that's why
don't use animal in agriculture.
Animals are not used for agriculture purpose.
Animals are not used for agriculture
purpose. Next question. उद्देश्य. हाँ. Is conducting research on animal a good idea? Is conducting researches on animal a good idea? Like rat के ऊपर, pet के ऊपर, dog के ऊपर कुछ टीके लगा के उनके ऊपर कुछ मेडिसिन अप्लाई की जाती हैं. ताकि अगर वो चीज़ कामयाब हुई तो इंसानों को वो मेडिसिन देंगे. So what do you think about that?
No, this is not a good way because healthy animal they use for medicine.
हाँ, तो उनको वो ट्रीटमेंट के लिए चाहिए.
Kill and cut
their body parts.
Cut their body parts and
experiment
on their body parts. Why?
With chemicals and other things.
And experiment is successful. Animal is living.
No, mostly animals die.
Yeah.
Because not from, you can say, the one animal giving their destination or their result. एक एनिमल से उनका रिसर्च पूरा नहीं होता. One animal is not going to complete their research.
Many
They
animals
use
they do.
multiple animals. Even they hold them for 10 years or 20 years. Even they don't let them die until their experiment is being conducted or is going to finish or something. So sometimes they hold them, they keep them in prison. वो उनको जेल में रखते हैं 15-20 साल animals. And when they die, they kick them and they have another animal for experiment purpose. You are saying this is
not
wrong.
good.
This is wrong. Okay. This is wrong, but for whom? किसके लिए गलत है ये? For.
For animals.
But this is good for whom?
Doctor.
Why doctor? People. So what do you suggest them?
As because them.
If a person gets disease, then how to operate?
How-
फिर लोगों का इलाज कैसे करें? You tell me. How to operate people then?
People use dead bodies. People,
Yeah, good.
People dead bodies.
Humans' dead body should be used for experiment.
Human dead body used for experiment. Dead animals like fish, frog, but not specially kill the animals.
So here, dead body can be used for some science-related experiments and other things. But for medicine, they need alive body. उनको कोई जिंदा शरीर चाहिए. Only then they can detect ये medicine कितने दिन तक असर करती है नहीं करती है. So only then they can have an exact dose or proportion of any chemical which they are going to add inside particular medicine. जब तक उनको ये नहीं पता चलेगा कि ये डोज कितने दिन तक सर्वाइव करता है ये जानवर इस डोज के साथ. How can they apply that on animal rather than the human?
They can find other way,
Alternative ways.
alternative ways, because
Like,
scientist is a very highest level
Ah.
online, are very highest level.
They are expert of their field.
They are
Expert of their field. वो अपनी फील्ड के एक्सपर्ट होते हैं.
They are expert of their field.
So
Their field
of their field.
and don't kill the animals. Other I don't know.
So you can say that they can go to the past time that Ayurveda. From plants they can have medicine. If they don't want to experiment on animal, so you are to tell कुछ भी बोलो. That's your choice. Means जो तुमको सही लगे. Means I am here to help you in translation. तो विचार तो आप दो ना अपने. आपको क्या कहना है? Last question. Many animals are becoming exist these days. Many बहुत सारे animals जो हैं उनकी existence होंद जो होती है वो खत्म हो रही है. They are finishing.
Yeah, endangered species.
हाँ जा रहे हैं. What do you think why it's happening? Animal अब गायब क्यों हो रहे हैं? Like many animals they are
ये
used
मेरे
to
में
going
जो
to
आपने-
disappear.
जो आपने मेरे से ये क्वेश्चन पूछा ना,
हाँ.
अभी मेरी 8th क्लास थी, कंजर्वेशन ऑफ प्लांट एंड एनिमल का यही सारे क्वेश्चन हैं.
ठीक है. अब आप इंग्लिश में बोलो ये सारा कुछ. The question जो क्वेश्चन आपने मेरे से पूछा है हैज अ प्लस थर्ड वर्ब.
बिकॉज
इसको ट्रांसलेट करो भाई. आपको इंग्लिश सिखानी है. कंटेंट में मत जाओ.
इसको
आपने जो भी जो लाइन बोली उसको इंग्लिश में करो. द क्वेश्चन विच जस्ट नाउ यू हैव आस्क्ड मी.
which question just now you asked
Have
me,
asked me. It is in my.
It is my notebook.
It is in my book.
book in
Syllabus.
Book syllabus. This chapter name is conservation of plant and animal.
Yeah. Now tell me.
Because
Reason.
Because
क्यों खत्म हो रहे
because
हैं
people
जानवर?
don't say wild life animals and
Correct.
kill the forest,
Kill,
trees,
correct.
and many land form, forest, and
They are cutting the jungle, finishing the wildlife,
They are cutting the wildlife and
cultivating the.
cultivating the
Industrialization.
industries, automobiles, and
Like materialistic
yeah.
things are being occupied instead of the jungle. That
There are
wildlife.
more automobiles, in city. This is they pollute environment.
तो इसकी वजह से जानवर जंगल धीरे धीरे छोड़ता जा रहा है.
Yeah.
English.
And many animals they
Species.
many species come endangered species and
Disappearing.
disappeared
गायब हो
from
रही
the
है.
earth.
हम्म.
Like
White.
white elephant, peacocks.
White peacock.
Peacocks. Owl. Owl. एक वो उसको क्या कहते हैं? Owl होता है. Dove.
White. White
Dove.
one.
Dove.
So they are.
Dove bird.
They are
They
or
are-
they have gone.
They are
They have gone.
no.
Somewhere they still exist. कहीं ना कहीं अभी भी हैं.
है but
But